हेलो एवरीवन। जेकेएसएसपी की पीवाईक्यू सीरीज़ में आज हम देखेंगे 2018 में जो पटवारी का एग्ज़ाम हुआ था उसमें कौन कौन से क्वेश्चन जो हैं जम्मू कश्मीर के जीके के पूछे गए हैं। तो यहाँ पे जम्मू कश्मीर के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के क्वेश्चन भी पूछे गए हैं उस टाइम पे। तो इसमें से कुछ ही जो चीज़ें होंगी, जो फैक्ट्स होंगे जो आपको याद रखने। जैसे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, एज़ पर द स्टेट जुडिशरी ऑफ JNK इफ़ एनी क्वेश्चन अराइजेज एज टू द एज ऑफ जज ऑफ हाई कोर्ट द क्वेश्चन शैल बी डिसाइडेड बाई प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है सरफेसी एक्ट पे है, इनेक्टेड बाई पार्लियामेंट इन 2002 इज़ अनइन्फोर्सेबल इन द स्टेट ऑफ JNK। दिस वाज हेल्ड बाई जस्टिस मुजफ्फर हुसैन अटर एंड जस्टिस अली मोहम्मद मागरे। Governor of Jammu and Kashmir has the power to make rules with respect to procedure as to communication between two houses of legislature in consultation with whom among the following। तो इसका आंसर है स्पीकर ऑफ असेंबली and the chairman of council। As per the state judiciary of JNK, oath and affirmation by judge of high court according to form set out for purpose in the 5th schedule। As per JK Constitution, appointments of the officials and servants of the High Court shall be made by Chief Justice of High Court। Prior to the Constitution of Jammu and Kashmir Act 1965, the head of the state is designated as Sadr-e-Riyasat। According to Section 47, इसमें the number of women to be nominated in the Legislative Assembly of JNK by the Governor is 2। Provisions in case of failure of constitutional machinery in the state is provided under which section of Jammu and Kashmir Constitution। तो इसकी जो है 92 सेक्शन में इसकी बात की है। अंडर सेक्शन 92 ये भी इसका है, इसके बारे में पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है ये भी JK कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के बारे में पूछा गया है। फर्स्ट मॉस्क कंस्ट्रक्टेड इन श्रीनगर इन 1395 by Persian who came to Kashmir to spread Islam religion in 13th century is Khanqa of Shah Hamdan। Name the river which flows between Ladakh and Zanskar range and has several tributaries, principal among which are Gilgit River, Gumal River and Kabul River। इसका आंसर है Indus River। Which among the following is not one of those 8 hydroelectric projects planned for speedy construction in Himalayan state of Jammu and Kashmir by Government of India? इसका आंसर है Kanguwal। Gulmarg is a hill station and a popular destination in the state of JNK। Station lies in कहाँ पे ये situated है? पीर पंजाल रेंज। Which of the following was built in 1862 in a unique French architecture style by Dogra King and has now been converted into a museum? इसका आंसर है अमर महल पैलेस। Name the district headquarters situated in the distance of 90 kilometers from the Srinagar capital, summer capital of state, whose northern and western borders form LOC between India and Pakistan। इसका कुपवाड़ा। State of Jammu and Kashmir into 4 major regions. One of them is plain, also called as Khandi Belt। City of Sufis for history lovers willing to have glimpse of Kashmir's past, situated on the river bank of the river. This place offers scintillating views and serene atmosphere. Jasrota Fort is a must visit for history lovers here। The city is Kathua। The national park includes catchments of 2 valleys which drain into Indus River and is also named after the famous monastery। Which of the following is the national park? तो नेशनल पार्क कौन सा है? इसका है हामिस एल्टीट्यूड नेशनल जो लद्दाख में। The climate of Jammu and Kashmir is to a large extent influenced by the mountains it is surrounded by। Temperature is greatly moderated by these mountains and water bodies। Which among those mentioned subtropical regions? का आंसर जम्मू। When did the treaty between the two governments of India and government of Pakistan concerning utilization of water of the Indus system of rivers came into existence? कब ये treaty हुई थी? September 1960। River Zanskar, with its fast and furious waters and huge waterfalls, freezes completely, and huge ice sheets hang much to the astonishments of beholders। This place has a long and severe winter with temperature going down to more than 40 degrees below zero. The temperature in summers, however, soars to 45 degrees, making it extremely hot. Place is Ladakh. Ravi is a transboundary river flowing through northwestern India and northeastern Pakistan. The river drains a total catchment area of 14,000 square kilometers in India after flowing for a length of 720 kilometers. Jammu and Kashmir has international border with China in the north and east, and line of control separates it from the Pakistan occupied Kashmir in the west and northwest respectively. Next question is Sonamarg is also known for its beauty, natural beauty, and popular for its alpine forest, silver birch, pine trees. तो इसके में पूछा होगा सोनामार्ग इज फेमस एज मीडो ऑफ गोल्ड. जम्मू कश्मीर एंड लद्दाख हैव डिपॉजिट्स ऑफ डिफरेंट एजेस एंड ग्रेड्स ऑफ लाइमस्टोन. लाइमस्टोन का क्वेश्चन पूछा हुआ है रिसोर्सेज पे. लाइमस्टोन ऑफ जम्मू कश्मीर ऑफ हाई क्वालिटी एंड इज यूज इन मैन्युफैक्चर ऑफ सीमेंट एट कहाँ बनता है हुयान एंड खरीव. अकॉर्डिंग टू द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ जियोलॉजी एंड माइनिंग, which among those is used as decorative stone for buying and found in Kargil, Leh, Ganderbal, Baramulla, Poonch and Doda in abundance? इसका आंसर है ग्रेनाइट. It is amended edition of record of rights, actually that part of ROR which gives the list of landholders and tenancy holders with detail of field, rent paid by each tenant and land revenue paid by each landholder. What is being referred to here? तो ये है जो पोस्ट स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन है, जैसे जमाबंदी इसका आंसर है. तो जो हमने एनटी का पेपर देखा था लास्ट टाइम, तो उसमें गिरदवारी के बारे में पूछा था. तो ये कुछ टर्म्स हैं जो आपको देखनी है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फिर से वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी पे है. इज़ लोकेटेड इन द 76 किलोमीटर फ्राम श्रीनगर नियर पहलगाम एंड हैज़ एन एरिया ऑफ 32.27 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर्स. Sanctuary has acquired an outstanding position for its varied and magnificent species of pheasants. Which of the wildlife sanctuary here we are talking about? इसका आंसर है ओवेरा. CVPP has been incorporated. ये करंट का क्वेश्चन है, इसको इतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. नेक्स्ट जो क्वेश्चन हमारे पास है dating back to 1430 AD, founded by Spawn, Paldan, Sirab. Which of the following is situated on the hillock overlooking the Indus Valley with full view of magnificent stock range? इसका आंसर है थिक्से monastery. According to 1960 Indus Water Treaty, India given control over 3 eastern rivers, namely Ravi, Beas और सतलुज. 2007 Jammu and Kashmir Assembly passed a bill aimed at giving free of cost ownership rights to 16.60 lakh canals of state land under the occupation of farmers in J&K. Which bill is being referred to here? ये कौन से बिल की बात हो रही है जिसके अंडर 16.60 लाख कनाल जो है वो लैंड दी गई थी? रोशनी बिल. Which of the following is a hydroelectric project that will be built over Chandra Basin? Kirthai 1. Next last question है there is a wide scope of mineral resources in J&K state. Which of the following is used in the manufacture of cement, calcium carbide, quicklime, bleaching powder, glass, paper and paints? इसका आंसर limestone. तो रिसोर्सेज पे भी यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन फ्रिक्वेंटली पूछे गए हैं, जैसे ग्रेनाइट, लाइमस्टोन, कोल,